In this video, we are going to solve our Khan University Examination Board Class 10 September 2012 Mathematics Paper 1. So let's come to our question number 1 of this year. So here we have our first question of this year. The least common multiple of 1 over a square and b square. We have to find the least common multiple. So the common factor between them is equals to 1, and the uncommon factor between them is 1 over a square and b square. So common factor multiplied by the uncommon factor will be equals to b square over a square. So option D is the right answer. Then we have question number 2, in which we have to find the HCF of these two terms, 15x square and 45xy. So the factors of 15 are 3, 5, x and x. And in 45xy, we have 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, and 9 5s are 45, and xy. The highest common factor is the common between these two terms. So 3 is common. We have 1 5 common and 1 x common. So HCF in these two terms is 3, 5, and x. So 5 3s are 15 and x. So 15x is the right answer. That is the HCF in these two terms. So option A will be the right answer. Then we have to find the square root of this whole expression. So if we can recall that we have studied the factorized form of this expression, a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2bc and plus ac. So this all expanded form will be equals to a plus b minus c. So in the algebraic formula of sum of three terms to the whole square as this, as I have written, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. So in this sum we have the two terms that are negative and this is positive. It means that a and c both are positive, while the term in which we have b is negative. So the formula for this will be equals to this a minus b plus c whole square. If we expand this formula, we will get the expanded form that is in our question. So let's take the square root of this expression. So square and root will be cancelled out. So we will get plus minus a minus b plus c. So option A is the right answer of this question. Then let's move to our question number 4. Which of the following fraction is our example of the improper fraction? So the improper fraction is the one in which degree of numerator is equal or greater than the denominator. So here we have degree 5 and we have degree 4. So this is improper fraction. In option 2, we have a degree 1 and degree 2. So this is the proper one. While in question option 3, we have degree 2, and if we multiply these two linear factor, we will get the polynomial of degree 2. So the numerator and denominator, their degrees are same. It means this is also our improper fraction. So 1 and 3 are improper fraction in this question. Option B would be the right answer. Let's move to our question number 5, in which we have the number line, that is, and we have to identify the inequality. So arrow is moving left. It's mean leftward means that x should be less. Less than what? So this starts from 5. It's mean x is less than 5, and 5 is not included because the circle is unshaded, so variable is less than 5. So option A is the right answer of this question. Let's move to our question number 6, in which we have to find the solution set of this equation minus 2x plus 2 equals to 0. So minus 2x will be equals to minus 2 and x will be equals to 1. So option D is the right answer. Then we have a modulus equation in question number 7. Modulus of 2 plus x plus 2 equals to 1. So let's move this to the right side of the equation. So modulus of x plus 2 is equals to 1 minus 2, that is equals to minus 1. So modulus is equals to negative of a number, and modulus for negative number does not exist. So the solution set for this modulus would be empty set, because modulus cannot be in less than 0 or negative. So the correct answer is option D. Then we have question number 8, which of the following equation is equivalent to these options. So let's solve this equation. 4 square root of x is equals to 8. Squaring on the both side, we will get, let's, before squaring on both side, let's divide this 4 on the right side of the equation. So square root x is equal to 8 over 4. 4 1 is 4 and 4 2s are 8. So square root x is equals to 2. So now squaring on the both side, we will get x equals to 4 and x minus 4 is equal to 0. So the correct answer is option C. Then let's see question number 9. The intersecting point of x-axis and y-axis. So x-axis and y-axis intersect at origin. The intersecting point of these two axes is known as origin, and the coordinates of the origin are 0, 0. So option B is the right answer of this question number 9. Then we have question number 10. The point of intersection of two line is 5, 5, 1. And if one line is this shown in the figure, we have to find the value of y1. So we have two lines in this question, and we have a common point between them, or the solution of these two linear equation is 5 comma y1. This means that this point will satisfy the first line L1, and simultaneously it will satisfy the line L2 as well. So we have to find the value of y1. So let's put this value of x in this equation. So x plus y is equals to 9, and x is equal to 5. So 5 plus y is equals to 9. So the value of y will be equals to 4. Option A is the right answer. In question number 11, the given diagram shows the rate at which the bathtub is filled with water. If the bulb can hold 20 liters of water, then the time taken to fill one fourth of the bathtub will be. So from the question, we can see that the capacity of the bathtub is 20 liters. And we have to fill this tub or to one fourth of its capacity. So one fourth of its capacity will be equals to 1 over 4 times 20 liters. It's mean the one fourth of its capacity is 5 liters. So let's find the time from the graph, that at 5, the capacity of The time taken to the tub to fill its one fourth of the capacity, that is 5 liters, it will take around 10 seconds. So option B is the right answer. Then we have question number 12. If x equals plus minus iota are the roots of the quadratic equation, we have to identify the quadratic equation. So here we have four quadratic equation, and we have to identify that x is equals to plus minus iota. So this means that x is equals to iota and x is equals to minus iota. So the factor will become x minus iota and x plus iota. So if we multiply these two, x into x, or simply we can apply the formula a plus b, a minus b. So it will become x square minus iota square is equal to 0. So x square and iota square is equals to minus 1. So minus minus will be plus 1, x square plus 1 equals to 0. And the equation would be x square is equals to minus 1. So the correct answer is option C. In question number 13, we have to represent this quadratic equation in its standard form. So 3x will be multiplied on the left side of the equation. 3x square is equals to 5 minus 2x. Then we bring these two terms on the left hand side. So it will become 3x square plus 2x minus 5 equals to 0. So this is our standard form of our quadratic equation. 3x square plus 2x minus 5 equals 0. Option C is the right answer. Then let's move to our question number 14. If the square of a number z is decreased by 3, this means that z square minus 3. The result is equal to z. So the equation depicting the given situation is in our option C. So the C is the right answer. On a Cartesian plane with reference to origin, 3 comma 4 minus 4 will represent what? So this is the value of x and this is the value of y. So in Cartesian plane, right is the positive x, left is the negative x, up is the positive y, and down is the negative y. So positive 3 means 3 units right, and negative y means 4 units down. So 3 units right and 4 units down. Option C is the right answer. Let's come to question number 16 and 17. If the midpoints of the line joining these two is equal to this. So this is the midpoint and this is the points P and Q. So let's say this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. And the coordinates are x comma y of the midpoint, and we have to find the value of P. So the formula of the midpoint is x equals x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and y is equals to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So we have to find the value of P. So let's apply this formula of x, that is x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Value of x is 5. Here we have the value of x. X1 is 3p, x2 is minus 2 divided by 2. So let's solve this. 5 into 2 is 10 equals to 3p minus 2. So 3p will be equals to 12 and p would be equals to 4. So value of p is 4. Option B is the right answer. Then question number 17, in the given figure, if ABC is an isosceles triangle, we have to identify uh, C, point C, coordinates of point C. So if this is ABC is an isosceles triangle. If this triangle is isosceles, this means that AC will be equals to AB, or AC will be equals to BC. So we can take one by one these 4 points to the value of C. So let's take the distance, the point in option A. So 2 comma 0 and 4 comma 0. The distance between these two points should be equals to 4, or should be equals to 6 for this triangle to be an isosceles triangle. So this is, let's say, x1, this is y1, this is x2 and y2. So let's apply the distance formula. 4 minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square. So 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 square plus 0 square. So it will become 4 and a square root, so it will be equals to 2. So it's mean if this side is 2, this triangle would not be an isosceles triangle. So let's take the other point. So let's take the point in option B, 6 and 0. If 6 0 is C, and the point A is 2 0. If we apply the formula of distance, 6 minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square. So 6 minus 2 is 4 square plus 0 square. 4 square is 16 plus 0 is 16. So it is equals to 4. So if the value of C is 6 comma 0, the distance between A and C is 4. This makes this triangle an isosceles triangle. So the value of B will be option, value of C will be 6 comma 0, that is in option B. Let's move to our question number 18. Sine 45 is equals to 1 over 2. We have to find the value of sine 45 plus cos 45. We know that sine 45 is equals to cos of 45. It means sine 45 is 1 over root 2, and cos 45 is 1 over root 2. That is equals to 2 over root 2. Option B is the right answer. Then we have question number 19 and 20. If tangent 30 is equals to 1 over root 3, we have to find the value of cos 30 over sine 30. We know that cos 30 over sine 30 is equals to cotangent 30 degree. And similarly, cot 30 degree is equals to 1 over tangent 30 degree. So value of tangent is 1 over root 3. So the value of cot tangent 30 will be equals to root 3. Option A is the right answer. We have to identify that which of the following is not a trigonometric identity. Cos square plus sine square equals to 1. This is a trigonometric identity. 1 plus tan square is sec square. This is our trigonometric identity. Similarly, 1 plus cot square equals cosec square is our trigonometric identity. So option C is the right answer. That is not a trigonometric identity. Let's see question number 21 and 22. In the given figure, the angle of elevation from point R to T. From R to T, this is the angle of elevation. So it can be termed as TRS, or it could be termed as SRT. So TRS is not in our option. So SRT is here. That is option B is the right answer. This is the angle of elevation from point R to T. Then we have question number 22, in which we have a right angle triangle in which AC is equals to x. These two are equals to x, and we have to find the value of b. So according to Pythagoras theorem, b square equals a square plus c square, and the value of AC's are x and x. So it will become x square plus x square. B square is 2x square, and the value of b, by taking root on the both side of the equation, square root 2 into x. So the right answer is option D. Then let's come to our question number 23 and 24. If 3, 4 and k forms the sides of the right angle triangle, we have to find the value of k. So according to this right angle triangle, Pythagoras theorem should be applicable. So the value for finding the value of k, so 3 square plus 4 square should be equals to k square. From diagram, we can see that the k is the hypotenuse. It means it should be greater than 3 and 4. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, and the square root of this will be equals to 5. That is the value of k. Option B is the right answer. Let's come to our question number 26. In this given diagram, O is the center of the circle, then a distance, then the perpendicular distance between the chord DE and FG is equal to what? So as we can see that these two chords are equal, DE and FG. If these two chords are equal, it means that their distance from the center will be equal. If this distance is B, then the other distance would also be equals to B. So we have to find the distance between these two chords, that is equal to B plus B to B. Option D is the right answer. In the given question, figure B and C are the center of the circle and BC is equal to 10. The distance between the center is 10, and the AB, that is the radius of the circle, equals to x equals to 4, and we have to find the value of x. So here we have a certain typing mistake. This is not AB, this is our radius of the smaller circle, that is equals to 4. So it's mean from this point to this, it is equals to 4. And from this to this, it is the radius of the larger circle. This means that x plus 4 should be equals to 10. So the value of x could be equals to 6. The radius of the larger circle is 6. Option D is the right answer. Quickly, let's move to our next question, that is 28. In the given circle, we have a center O. We have to identify the minor arc. The minor arc is the one whose central angle is less than 180 degree. So the arc AC is the minor arc in this diagram. Option A is the right answer. Let's see question number 29 and 30. In question 29, we have a figure in which a circle is given with the center O, and we have two angles that are 20 and 30 at CAO and CBO. We have to find AOB, that is the central angle at center O. So let's make one thing, that this is our, let's make this line our OC, the radius. If this is 20, it's mean the angle at this point will be also 20 degree. Similarly, these two are radius. If here we have 30 degree, so this would also be equals to 30 degree. So overall, the angle C, or we can say angle ACB, is equals to 50 degree. That is, this angle C is in major arc, and the central angle is always double of the angle at the in the segment. So the angle AOB will be equals to double of this angle 100. So option C is the right answer. Then we have last question of this year, question number 30. In the given diagram, O is the center of the circle and DAO is equals to 26. DAO, here we have 26. OBA is equal to what? OBA. So we have to find this angle OBA. So angles in the same segments are always equal. So if this is 26, this angle will also be equals to 26 degrees. So here we have this a square drawn. This means that whole angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So 26 degrees plus x will be equals to 90 degree. So x will be equals to 90 minus 26, that is 64. So the right answer for the value of x is 64. So option C is the right answer of this question number 30 of this year.